Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a transformation. A project that took my ordinary bedroom and turned it into something extraordinary. A stylish, functional fashion haven. This isn't just about adding a closet, it's about a complete DIY wardrobe build. Before we begin, let's set the stage. My bedroom, like many, was a battleground of clothes, shoes, and accessories. The standard closet offered limited space, and organization felt like a constant struggle. But I had a vision. I wanted a space that was both aesthetically pleasing and supremely practical. Thus, the DIY journey began. The initial phase, as with any major project, involved careful planning. I started by measuring the available space meticulously. Every inch was critical. Then, I sketched out several designs, considering different layouts. I decided on a modular system, allowing for flexibility and future adjustments. The measurements were then transferred to a design software, allowing me to visualize the final product. Next came the materials. I opted for cost-effective yet durable options. The frame of the wardrobe was constructed from sturdy plywood, providing a solid foundation. Shelves and drawers were made from medium-density fiberboard or MDF, a material known for its smooth surface. The total cost of the materials was surprisingly reasonable, roughly $300. This was significantly less expensive than purchasing a pre-made wardrobe of similar size and quality. The construction process itself was a fascinating learning experience. I started by cutting the plywood and MDF to the precise dimensions outlined in my design. A circular saw and a jigsaw were my primary tools for this phase. Safety was paramount, and I always wore eye protection and a dust mask. Assembling the frame was next. Using wood screws and wood glue for added strength. The modular design meant each section could be built separately, and then combined. Shelves and drawers were added next. Installing drawer slides was a delicate task, requiring precision. The drawers were assembled using dovetail joints, a technique that ensured durability. Each drawer was tested to ensure smooth operation. The whole assembly process took approximately 2 weeks, working a few hours each day. Once the structure was complete, the finishing touches were applied. I painted the wardrobe in a neutral color, a light gray, that complements the existing bedroom decor. This also allowed me to experiment with the overall look of the room. The interior was also painted, giving it a clean, polished look. I then added hardware handles and knobs, selected for both style and functionality. The final step was organizing my belongings within the new wardrobe. This was an opportunity to declutter. Out with the old, in with the new. I sorted my clothes by type and color, arranging them in the drawers and on the shelves. Shoes were neatly lined up, accessories arranged for easy access. The transformation was complete.